In this video, I will show you how to earn more than $5,000 using a free secret Google trick. And this is actually one of the easiest methods I've actually found to make money online, which is ideal if you are new to making money online, or you're simply just looking for some easy ways to earn some money online. So let's dive into a step-by-step lesson on how you can set up this passive stream of income. Oh, and by the way, with this strategy, you don't actually need to invest any money to start, you don't even need to own a website, and you don't have to do any affiliate marketing. So make sure you do pay close attention and watch this video all the way until the end, because the last step is actually crucial to earning the most cash, so be sure to stick around and take some notes. So let's get straight into it and learn about this awesome secret strategy to make some money online. And the first step you will need to take is to go over to a website which is called news.google.com. So if you actually take a look at the left hand side, you can see all of these different categories, which include your country, what's happening in the world, your local news, and you also have some other categories, so things like business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. So these are actually all different news categories and will give you the latest news from all around the world regarding that topic. So for example, if you were to go over to business right here, that's going to give you all of the latest business news, either in your specific country or all around the world. So now moving on to step number 2, what happens is that every couple of hours, these news categories will actually update and new articles will take place on each different category. So now we're actually going to focus on the business category. And as you can see right here, that this article was posted 4 hours ago. Then you've got this one which was posted 2 hours ago. This one was posted 1 hour ago, and so on and so forth. And you can see there are a ton of different articles. So you can actually use any of these articles to make money online, and be sure to pay close attention because I'm about to show you how super simple this is to make money online. So in this example today, I'm actually going to use this article here. So this one about Tesla, and it says Tesla plans a new Shanghai plant to more than double China capacity. So you just want to go ahead and give the article a click, and that's actually going to take us to this page, which is the entire article that you can use to make money. So to save some time, what I'm going to do is just copy a few lines of this article just to show you a quick example of how this works and how you can actually use this article to make money. And then we're going to move on to step 3. So what you need to do now is come over to another website, which is actually called quillbot.com. So if you don't know what Quillbot is, Quillbot.com is actually a free online tool, and you can actually use this tool completely free of charge to rewrite those articles professionally for you. So what you need to do next is just paste your article here and then go ahead and click the paraphrase button. So by clicking this, Quillbot will get to work. It takes absolutely no time at all, and what that's going to do is going to rewrite the entire article. And the best part, as I say, is that this is all done for you for absolutely free. So if you take a look at the left hand side, you will see we have the original article, and on the right hand side we have the rephrased article, which is now different to the original article. And because it is unique content, we can now use that to make money. So now we have our article ready. What we want to do next is actually copy this article with a simple click of a button. And now this is ready to be used to start generating and making money online. And you can actually do the same thing for all of these articles from different categories that are available in Google News. And remember, there are always new articles coming in every few hours, so you will never be short of content used to make money online. So if you actually really think about this, you have thousands and thousands of different articles, and each of these articles can make you money over and over again. I mean, how amazing is that? So before we go ahead and jump into the most important part of the video and actually learn how to make money with these articles, be sure to subscribe to the channel for your chance to win our monthly shoutout giveaway. Once done, just drop a comment below saying I subbed. And if we get 100 likes on this video, I'll drop a brand new video next week as well to show you guys exactly how to make even more money online, doing basic stuff like this from the comfort of your own home. Now moving on to the final and most important step on how to make money with these articles. There are actually 2 ways I will show you on how to make money. Now the first one is not going to make you that much, but the second one can make you thousands of dollars. In fact, it's actually paid tens of thousands of dollars to lots of people from all over the world. So the first and the least paying option is to use a website called textbroker.com. And textbroker.com actually work with some massive companies such as Yoast, Staples, eBay, and so on. And this website will actually pay you for writing those articles. And of course, you won't have to write those articles yourself, because as I have just showed you, you can get them written for you for absolutely free using a super simple piece of software that is absolutely free to use and won't cost you a single penny. So what you want to do is go over to textbroker.com and click on here where it says I write content. And that's actually going to take you over to a page that looks like this, where you can actually learn more about how to make money by writing articles for textbroker.com. So another great thing about this website is it is absolutely free to register, and you can actually start earning money straight away by using this super simple strategy. So here is something really amazing. If you come over to the payment section right here and click on more information, you can actually calculate how much money you will be making. So you can see for 1,000 words, you will actually earn $50. And it is so easy to find a ton of articles that are 1,000 words long on Google News. So the great thing about this is the longer the article is, the higher the earnings are going to be. So as an example, let's say you have an article that is 10,000 words. Well, if we use this website, you will be making up to $500. And of course, the best part is you can do this over and over again. All you need to do is simply rinse and repeat this strategy. But just keep in mind that even though you can make good money with this, it's not going to make you that much money compared to the second way of making money with free articles. So to get registered so you can start making money with TextBroker, just click on the free author registration right here, and then simply create your free account, and you can start making some money with those articles. Now the second way you can make money from those free articles is by using the power of freelancing websites, and a few examples are places like Fiverr.com, Freelancer.com, Truelancer.com, and that's just a few because there's actually a ton of others out there. So a bonus tip I want to give you at this point is to use more than one freelancing website to do this. So instead of just using, say, for example, something like Fiverr.com, also use some of the other websites like People Per Hour or Upwork.com or Freelancer. And by doing this, you can actually multiply your earnings. So if you sell on 10 different freelancing websites, you're actually going to 10 times your earnings. But if you sell on just one website, that's only one way to make money from those articles. So in this example, we will use Fiverr.com. And if you head on over to Fiverr.com and search for article writing in the search bar, what this is going to do is actually bring a list of results of people that make money writing articles. But the problem with this is they're actually doing it the hard way because they are doing all the work themselves, which does obviously take a lot of time and effort. And another problem with this is that customers do not like to wait. I mean, who likes to wait? No one likes to wait. So by using this money making strategy, you will actually be able to deliver those articles almost instantly. So straight away, this is going to put you miles ahead of all your competitors, and you're going to get some great reviews and feedback, which means more people will come to you for article writing services. And of course, this in turn means you make a ton more money than your competitors. And you can see that this does actually work. So if we come across to this person, for example, you can see they're charging £15, and you can see on their profile they've actually got 403 reviews, a 5-star rating. So that means people have bought this service 403 times. So the minimum they've actually earned from this method is about £6,000. That's just on this basic where they're offering up to 500 words. Obviously some of these might be a more premium service. You can see if we go to standard, this is up to 1,000 words, which as I can say is very easy to do some 1,000-word articles using Google News. And that would actually be at £31, so that would actually be double. So if these 400 orders were all 1,000-word articles, this person's actually made £12,000. This is great because, I mean, obviously you can do this using the software yourself. It requires literally little to no effort, and you could be making the same, if not more money. And if we look at the higher end of the spectrum as well, you can see that is £45. So as an example again, if those 400 reviews that he's received, if those 400 sales were based on long piece articles, which is up to 1,500 words, which again is absolutely possible to do using the Google News website, and that's going to be a total profit of £18,000. And as I mentioned earlier in this video, there's actually a ton of alternatives to Fiverr. All you need to do is literally go onto Google and do a quick Google search for freelancing websites, and you'll have a ton of different websites that you can do this on. Oh, and one awesome thing that I wanted to mention is, of course, this method is actually available worldwide. Not to mention how super simple it is. And of course, the best thing about this is that all of it is completely free to do. Now, if you do want to make even more money, then you need to watch this video right here. So this is actually a video I did, which is going to enable you to discover how to earn $55 every 7 minutes in PayPal money with a brand new strategy. That is also another super simple way to make money online. And with that being said, I will see you in the next one.